Creating an outline for an AI-generated video at Elai is simple and efficient. Follow these steps. Clearly outline the subject and purpose of your video. Decide whether it's educational, promotional, or informational video. Break your content into sections. For example, introduction, key points, conclusion. Keep each section concise and engaging. You can manually write a script to control the narrative flow or use Elai's AI Storyboard feature to generate a script automatically based on your prompt, text, or URL. Think about the main purpose and idea of your video, and AI will write the script and add the relevant stock media. Choose a virtual presenter that matches your video style. Pick a voice that enhances clarity and engagement. Elai supports over 75 languages. Upload images, videos, or let Elai suggest visuals. Use text overlays for emphasis. Preview your video, refine the content, and generate the final version. With Elai, you can create professional AI-powered videos quickly and effortlessly.